everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing another kit from Double Dip Nails. This is their winter weekend collection. It includes Oreo cookies, Dear Santa, Hazel Grace, Tipsy Poodle, Saint Nicholas, and Snowflakes. They're all pretty colors. If I had to pick a favorite, it would probably be Oreo cookies, just because it's like a really pretty red with a little shimmer to it. So today I'm going to be using Bodacious from their 80s Glow Party kit. I am also going to be using Snowflakes from this collection, which is the winter weekend. And I'm going to be using Flying Butterfly, which is from the Holly Jolly Christmas kit. Now these stickers come from the winter weekend kit. And these sequins, they're like the little star sequins. They come from the Holly Jolly Christmas kit. So, you know, depending on which one you purchase, that's the goodie you get. And they may change it, they may not, but you do get stickers with the winter weekend, and you get some goodies with the Holly Jolly Christmas kit. So I'm going to be going in with these colors. Once again, I really didn't know what I wanted to do, so it's kind of just, you know, something that I put together, and it came out pretty nice. You know, it came together pretty well, so I did like it. I hope you guys enjoy. I will pop back in occasionally. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will be doing another giveaway. All you have to do to enter is drop your email, your Facebook, or your Instagram so I can contact you and let you know you've won. This one will be, the deadline will be, I'll say January 1st. I'll make that the deadline, and then I'll pick the person just so we'll be past the Christmas time and all the craziness, and nobody's package will get lost, hopefully, you know. So yeah, January 1st will be the cutoff for this giveaway, and yeah, good luck to everybody. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be back soon with another one.